The news comes via email, your manager, or an all-company meeting. You're being merged. The word merger has a bad connotation, and maybe because it used to be referred to as a merger acquisition. We don't want to be acquired. So how do you react to the news in a positive way and in a manner that will help ensure a smooth transition? I'm Kathy Perry, corporate energy expert, and today I'm going to offer you 3 tips for when you hear the news, merger. I've been merged. Yep, several times in the banking industry. The first thing that happens is chatter, and lots of it. And really, this is a lesson that management needs to understand. Without open, transparent communication, people are going to talk. Heck, even with open, transparent communication, people are going to talk. Mergers are a time of uncertainty. Rumors swirl, and most professionals feel some degree of uncertainty. Gossip happens. So what should you do if you heard the word merger? First, hopefully the announcement has come in an organized, open communication way. If you're in a meeting with someone who has information, do not be afraid to ask questions, but make sure the questions are positive in nature. For example, don't say, "Are we all losing our jobs?" Of course you're thinking that, but instead say, "Can you tell us more about the culture of the new organization?" Or what factors were considered to bring this merger about? Just general inquisitive things that might give you a little more comfort. And understand that no one really has all the answers, because until cultures and systems are one, there's a lot of ambiguity. Second, do your research. Find out as much as you can about this new organization. Reach out on LinkedIn to other professionals at this other company. You may find that they have just as many questions. Start a positive dialogue about the future. Learn more about the culture that you will be merging with. These can all be positive steps to move forward and prepare for what's to come. And finally, breathe. Most mergers take months, if not years, to complete. But while you're waiting, be a team player. Don't gossip, stir up ill feelings, and especially don't lose productivity. If there is a chance for people to be displaced by a merger, the drama kings and queens and those who aren't living up to their performance reviews are the first to go. So, if you hear it, don't overreact. But there is a chance you might lose a job in a merger situation. But remember, organizations often give severance, career services, educational opportunities. Use all of this to your advantage. And remember, truly resilient people take adverse situations and turn them into opportunities for greatness. This is Kathy Perry, corporate energy expert, and I hope this helps you through a merger.